Hello friend, hope you have fared well in the NABARD Grade A Phase 2 Paper 1 exam, which was held on 16th November 2021. Friend, the paper 1 was descriptive English. It comprised 3 sections: essay carrying 40 marks, letter carrying 30 marks and précis carrying 30 marks, and thus in totality the paper was of 100 marks. Friend, the section consisted of 4 essay topics. The first one was dropouts in schools, its causes and prevention. The second one was benefits of the social media platform for farmers. The third one was contribution of the tourism sector to the Indian economy. And the last essay topic was workplace diversity, its measures for its promotion. Friend, all the essay topics were easy enough. Our guest has hit to the bullseye. By the way, friend, you may have had a lot to write on each of the essay topics. Friend, as far as the first topic, dropout in schools, its causes and prevention is concerned, it is quite a common topic. The essay should consist of 4 paras, namely introduction to the essay topic, the causes behind dropouts, the preventive measures for dropout, and then conclusion. Friend, introduction and conclusion matter a lot. Hence, these 2 paragraphs must be designed properly. You must supply facts and figures in support of the title. You should mention that around 12.6% of the students drop out of school in India. 19.8% discontinue education at the secondary level, while 17.5% drop out at the upper primary level. Friend, education matters a lot, and without proper education the development of a nation cannot be imagined of. Then you should mention causes and preventive measures, followed by the conclusion mentioning your opinion about the topic. Okay? If you have written following this format for this essay, you will definitely fetch a better score in the exam in this paper. Well, the second essay topic was benefits of the social media platform for farmers. Friend, you have ample materials to write on this essay topic. It must be based on a certain format, such as introduction to the social media platforms. Name some social media platforms that the farmers use, such as Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, etc. Following the introduction, you should describe some remarkable benefits of such media platform for farmers. You should mention specific media platforms. Platforms are there fully dedicated to spreading awareness about agriculture among the farmers. Such media platforms talk about seeds management, storage guidelines, market access and many more, along with the climatic and seasonal predictions in the interest of the farmers. Having mentioned all these, you can conclude it with your opinion. Okay? Friend, the third topic was contribution of the tourism sector to the Indian economy. Friend, tourism industry is one of the mega earning industries in India. It generates around 7% of GDP in India, and at the same time generates around 9% employments in the country. There are various tourist spots that even UNESCO has declared as World Heritage, such as the Taj Mahal in Agra, Hampi in Karnataka, Ajanta Caves in Aurangabad, Khajuraho in Madhya Pradesh, etc. A recently made tourist attraction that you already know of in India is the Statue of Unity in Gujarat. Friend, having given a proper introduction to the topic, you should elaborate on what you have mentioned in the introduction of the essay topic and then finally conclude it. Friend, you must bear in mind that all essays require relevant facts and figures. Please supply all these wherever necessary for better marks. Only words cannot do. Okay? Friend, the last topic was workplace diversity and its measures for its promotion. Friend, workforce diversity means similarities and differences among employees in terms of age, cultural background, physical abilities and disabilities, race, religion, gender and sexual orientation. Friend, having given proper introduction, what you need to do is to elaborate on how workplace diversity can be promoted for better output. Thus, friend, this is all about the essay section and its likely answers. Now, let's switch to the letter section. The letter section carried 30 marks. The letter section carried 30 marks. The first letter topic was write a letter to the editor of the newspaper telling the importance of developing sports infrastructure in India to create more Olympians. The second letter topic was write a letter to the credit card company requesting to change your address associated with a credit card. The third letter topic was write a letter to the block officer informing him about the pitiful condition of your village dispensary. Friend, all the letter topics are simple. Friend, all the three topics are formal in nature. Writing at length unnecessarily means getting fewer marks. So, writing on the given topic to the point is needed. Well, the third section was of précis, carrying 30 marks. It was based on uncertainty and its effect on health. Friend, overall, the descriptive paper was quite easy. The major challenge may have been the interface and the word limit. If you had practiced a lot, you would not have felt uncomfortable in the exam. Bankwiz provides you with ample number of descriptive mocks with the fastest evaluation mechanism in India. Pay a visit to www.bankwiz.com for details. Wish you all the best. Thank you.